AWS Repair Service. Today I'm going to show you kind of how one of our products that we get. This is Maxima MPPL. It's a multi-purpose penetrating lubricant. I'm just going to show you how effective this product really is. This is a bearing that came from an engine. Now obviously it's being replaced. You'd never want to reuse this whether it moved or not. But you'll see that this bearing is completely locked. It will not turn. So what we're going to do, shake up the product. We're going to give it a good coating all inside just like that, and go ahead and hit it on the other side just for grins. And we're going to work it back and forth, let that penetrating lube start dissolving that rust, and we're going to loosen this bearing up. Like I said, it's still going to be pitted with rust. I would never reuse a bearing like this. This is just merely to demonstrate how effective this product is and how it would work on bolts, nuts, other things that are difficult to get off, especially if you're ever going to remove your exhaust from your motorcycle or ATV. You'd always want to put something on those threads before you try to take them loose, because there's a good chance you're going to break them off, and then you're going to be coming to the shop and it's not going to be a pretty day. But this product can really, help save you some trouble. So after that little conference there we just had, now you'll see that the bearing is spinning. Now, it's still very, very rough. I'm going to put it close here so you can hear it. Very, very rough. Like I said, I would never reuse this. This is not a DIY reuse, especially this is an engine bearing, so you would have to take the whole thing apart. This bearing would fail pretty quickly, but this is just an example of how effective this product is. This is available from Tucker Rocky. We are a Tucker Rocky dealer. You can purchase it directly from us. If you've got any questions, just message us on either Twitter, Facebook, or directly to my email. Thanks for watching.